In the heart of Anatolia, far from the battlefields of swords and empires, there lived a man whose only war was against the ego, whose only weapon was love. Yunus Emre, the forgotten voice of divine love. He was not a conqueror. He built no kingdoms, he claimed no titles, yet he transformed a people and left behind a legacy that echoed across centuries. Yunus Emre, a name unknown to many, but to those who know him, he was a doorway to the divine. Born in the 13th century, during a time of chaos, crusades, and Mongol invasions, Yunus Emre saw a world torn apart. But instead of hatred, he offered healing. Instead of revenge, he offered remembrance, not of kings, but of Allah. He spoke not in Arabic, not in Persian, but in the simple tongue of the Turkish people, a language of the poor, the farmer, the orphan. And yet, in those words, he captured the secrets of the soul. We love the created for the sake of the Creator. Yunus Emre. He was a dervish, a lover, a poet. He walked barefoot across the villages carrying no wealth, only wisdom. While the empires fought, Yunus taught the people that the real enemy lived within. The drop becomes the ocean, he said, only when it forgets it is a drop. He called men to forget their pride, to remember their origin. Clay, dust, nothing. He taught love, not of the body, but of the soul, not of this world, but of the eternal. Come, let us be friends for once. Let us make life easy on us. Yet today, the world knows little of him. His verses remain hidden in forgotten books, his message lost in the noise of power, greed, and fame. But those who listen, those who seek, will find in Yunus Emre's words a mirror of the soul, a map to the beloved. He reminds us that love is not weakness, it is strength, that to bow is not defeat, it is elevation, that to serve is to be free. The path to God is in the heart, not in the heavens. Yunus Emre. In a world divided. Yunus Emre's voice still whispers, "Come, come, whoever you are, let us walk together toward the one."